Today our topic is chronic obstructive airways disease, in which five components of chronic obstructive airways disease. First of all, introduction of chronic obstructive airways disease, and second, sign and symptom of chronic obstructive airways disease, and third is the causes of chronic obstructive airways disease, and fourth is the etiology of chronic obstructive airways disease, and complication of chronic obstructive airways disease. Okay, and introduction, first of all, introduction of chronic obstructive airways disease. Chronic obstructive airways disease is also as chronic obstructive airways disease (COAD) and chronic obstructive respiratory disease (CORD) and air flow limitation (CAL) and chronic obstructive pulmonary disease (COPD). Okay, the chronic obstructive airways disease refers to a lung disease that blocks air and makes breathing difficult. And emphysema, what is emphysema, and chronic bronchitis are the two most common conditions that lead to COAD. The chronic bronchitis is an inflammation. The chronic bronchitis is an inflammation of the lining of bronchial tube, like carrier of air alveoli of the lung are destroyed. Okay, the damage that had occurred because the symptom and can minimize further damages. And sign and symptom chronic obstructive airways disease. The symptom of chronic obstructive airways disease often do not appear unit the lungs is damaged, and the symptom of chronic obstructive airways disease get worse along with time. Okay, get worse along with time. For chronic bronchitis, the main symptom is a cough that persists for at least 3 months. Okay, the other sign and symptom of chronic obstructive airways disease: shortness of breath, and wheezing, and chest tightness, and a chronic cough that produce sputum that may clear white, yellow, and greenish, and blueness of the lips or fingernail buds like cyanosis. Okay, like cyanosis, and frequent respiratory infection. Okay, this is a symptom of chronic obstructive airway disease. And next is the pathogenesis of chronic obstructive airway disease. The main causes of chronic obstructive airways disease is tobacco, smoking. However, in the development words, chronic obstructive airways disease often occur in women who are being exposed to fumes from burning fuel for cooking and heating in poorly ventilated home. Okay, how do our lung get affected? How do our lung get affected? The air travel down from the windpipe like trachea, and then moves into lungs through to large tube like bronchi. Inside the lungs, these are further divided many times into a smaller tube like bronchioles that end in cluster of tiny air sacs like alveoli. Okay, the air sac have very thin wall full of teeny blood vessels like capillaries. The oxygen there is held and then passed into their blood vessels, and these is low the oxygen enter into the blood stream, and at the same time carbon dioxide is exhaled, like a waste product of metabolism. Okay, The lungs rely on the natural elasticity of the bronchial tube and air sac to force air out of the body. Okay, chronic obstructive airways disease causes them to lose their elasticity and parallelly collapse, which leaves some air trapped into the lungs when you exhaled. Okay, and causes of chronic obstructive airways disease. What is the causes of chronic obstructive airways disease? First of all, emphysema, and second, chronic bronchitis. What is emphysema? The lungs disease causes the destruction of the alveoli and thereby lead to several problems. Okay, chronic bronchitis. In this condition, the bronchial tube inflamed and narrowed, and the lungs start to produce more mucus than narrowed tube, and there is how the patient develops chronic cough, trying to clear your airways. Okay, this is pathogenicity. And next is a complication of chronic obstructive airways disease. Complication: respiratory infection and high blood pressure and heart problem and lung cancer and depression. I will tell you step by step. Respiratory infection. People with COAD, chronic obstructive airways disease, are more susceptible to cold, the flu and pneumonia. Okay, and high blood pressure. COAD, chronic obstructive airways disease, may causes high blood pressure in the arteries that bring blood to your lungs, like pulmonary hypertension and heart problem. For reasons that aren't fully understood, chronic obstructive airways disease increase your risk of heart disease, including heart attack. Okay, and lungs cancer. Smoker with chronic bronchitis leaves greater risk of developing lungs cancer than do smokers who do not have chronic bronchitis. Okay, and depression. Difficulty breathing can keep you from doing activities that you enjoy, and dealing with serious illness can contribute to development of depression. Okay, thank you.